guys, so today I'm going to do this makeup look. It's like my official mom makeup look, so for any moms out there who don't have time or they just really don't feel like it. I mean, even if you're not a mom, like even if you're just like someone who really like runs late or just kind of lazy with makeup or just wants something light, then this is definitely your look. So if you are wanting to watch how I do it, stay tuned. Okay, so first off, what I usually use is the Revlon Makeup Revolution, the One Highlight Contour Stick. And it just like looks like this. It's like a nice, kind of like a champagne kind of color. It looks like this when you put it on. Can you, there we go. So I just kind of put it here. Sometimes I put it up here too, not always. And then sometimes I do it here. So I did not do my eyebrows yet. I really need to like do them, but one day I'll get around to it. And about this highlighting stick, I like that it just gives you like a soft glow, nothing like extremely overdone or whatever. And so yeah, and then next, this is like my holy grail for like foundations. Well, it's a BB cream and it's by elf, and I wanted a BB cream for a long time. Like I used to get I don't remember what it's called. I don't remember, but it's some bourgeois one of those like that. And it was okay, I liked it, I used it and everything, but I heard some people like really like this, but here in Italy you can't get it. They don't ship here. And so I had my grandma send it when my brother came here to visit, and this is the elf BB cream. Has SPF 20 sunscreen, and I have color Fair. I don't know how many colors it comes into. I want to say like 3, but could be like 6. Could be like a lot, I have no idea, but if I will link it in the bottom below. And this is like literally the best. I put this on, like most of the time I don't wear a primer because I mean you don't really need it with this. And here in Italy it gets extremely, oh that is dirty, it gets extremely hot, so I tend not to wear a lot of makeup in the summer because it just melts off. But this, like, if you put it on and it feels like you're not really even wearing foundation, and it stays on for quite a long time. Now this one says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and to reapply at least every 2 hours. I don't, because I just use it like as a, not every day because I don't put my makeup on it every day, but like if I'm going out, I even wore it to a wedding once and it stayed on and it was really nice. So I'm just gonna put it on this brush. I'm gonna dab it everywhere. Okay, and it's not like full coverage, like because it is a BB cream, it's not like a full coverage. So I mean, if you have like some kind of like a breakout or something, like I have a tiny one right here and like a tiny right there. So then if I wanted to, I would go ahead and use this one. It is the Deborah Milan Correcting Concealer Stick. So I would just like, yeah, dab it, but I really could care less. I just use like kind of like this a little bit. Yep, that's pretty much fine. So then I take this, which I really love this palette, and it's like really cute packaging. Like look at that packaging. And it is the Revolution. I have like obsessed with the Revolution makeup, I always, whenever I see like a sale or like, yeah, there's like this company here in Italy that does like, you buy a certain amount of this and they send you extra goodies, like a mystery bag, and I have a video on it, you can look at that too. And I think they also do it on their legit site as well. But I just love their makeup because it's not overly priced and it's a really good quality. So just look at the packaging. And this is the Emogenation collab. So it's there we go. So it's like a highlighting and contouring palette. Where'd my brush go? I'll just use this one. So I usually just use Literally, which would be this one, like the lighter shade. And I just go ahead, gonna do a quick contouring. Because like if I have time, I will go ahead and do like a legit contouring, like with cream contouring. But like as I said, right now it's also summer, and I'm also 6 months pregnant with 2 kids as well. So I don't have that much time to do my makeup. And I also don't feel like doing it a lot of the times. Because, well, I mean, if I'm just going out like on a quick errand, I could care less. And then, but I mean, if I'm going somewhere or we're going out like in the evening or like to dinner or someone's house or something, I usually do my makeup. I mean, if I know I'm gonna be out for a long time, I'll do my makeup. But if I'm just going like on a quick thing, I don't. And then I usually take limited edition, but Angel Face is really cute as well. Because limited edition is like this one, and it has, I will see, let's see. It's just like a white silver highlight, and you can see how pigmented that is. And then Angel Face has like a little bit of gold to it, so you can really tell the difference in those. And I usually just go with limited edition because it's quicker, and I'm like breathing hard. But as I said, I'm like 6 months pregnant, so, and it's hot. And I just kind of and then I usually just use a coral blush. Sometimes I use pink, but right now I'm just gonna use this one. It's a coral blush, and it's like from the dollar store or something, or from Lidl. I think it's from Lidl. And I think I bought it for my kid, but it's nice and nicely pigmented, so I'm just gonna Then, oh, my legs are hurting. I'm literally just sitting on the floor right now. Then I usually, if I feel like doing like some kind of an eyeshadow, I'll just do like a quick, like nude kind of eyeshadow. Maybe put some sparkle, like champagne colored sparkle or whatever. But normally I don't. I just usually use my L'Oreal Superstar eyeliner, and it's like, oh, it's coming, the writing's coming off. So, actually it's almost out, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. And I'm not really one to wing my eyeliner because, well, one, my husband doesn't like it, and then two, I don't know, I like it sometimes. Sometimes I do like feel like doing it, but most of the time I don't. And when it comes to like eyeliner, I'm quite like a perfectionist, even though a lot of times it probably does not look perfect, but I like to, it's probably like the thing that I take the longest doing. And right now I'm kind of like far away from the mirror, so I'm kind of just like, yeah. Okay, so that's it pretty much. And then I just take the L'Oreal mascara, the butterfly one, that I really love this, and I'm actually also running out of this, and I haven't actually seen it in stores. So I'll have to like try something else maybe. But this one actually like gives you like a really nice lift to, like I didn't curl my eyelashes right now, so yeah, it just gives like a nice natural lift to them. And like I said, I'm like really running out of it. So if anyone knows like a good mascara, let me know, because I definitely like a mascara, eyeliners, or if there's like a product that you guys want to see, let me know, and if I can get it here, I will get it to you. Like I really want to try the Pixie by Heart eyeshadow palette, but they don't have it in Italy. So, and how like I would have to ask my grandma and be like, Grammy, will you send it to me? But we will see, because there's like so many palettes that I want to try that are in America, and here they don't have. My eye's twitching. So that is pretty much all I do. And my eyebrows, I do them once in a while. Like I'll fill them in if I'm got like 5 more minutes, but I'm not gonna do it. And then usually I'll let that dry, and while that dries, I will put on, I've been using this one lately, my my lipstick. This one is the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid, and the color is Nude Flush, and it's like a really nice nude pink color. And so I usually just put this some of this on. I don't do it like the whole thing, because then I think it's too much, just for like running out and doing some errands. So now what I usually do is just take a finger and kind of just drag it out. And then, so once my mascara dries a bit, I usually go in with this e.l.f. I used to have this like when I first started doing makeup, and I've probably used it in like really old videos. It is the e.l.f. eyebrow and eyelash gel, and as you can see where the mascara one is, and this is just like sets your eyelashes so that they don't like uncurl or like move, and I'm pretty sure this is only $1. And then the other side, I'll show you how it works. I didn't do my eyebrows, but I mean, even if you don't do your eyebrows, if you just want them to kind of stay in place, just kind of, which I really need to pluck my eyebrows, but you know. And that, my friends, is how we do it. So that is my like quick mom makeup video, running late kind of makeup, or if you're just really not feeling like it, or you know, for me this like being a mom with 2 kids and then one on the way and not having that much time to get ready. Well, I mean I could, but I don't know. So I mean, you gotta get the kids ready, you gotta clean the house, you gotta get stuff, and makeup. I mean, I do my makeup when I can, but most of the time this is how I look. So, and I probably will look like this for like the next 6 years. This is like my go-to hairstyle, and sometimes I'll bring my hair down or whatever a little bit, but this is like my go-to look for everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests, like I wanted to start doing some Halloween videos, because I mean I know it's almost September, but still I could start so people could get like ideas or something. Like I don't know what you guys want to see. or if there's any products, like I said, that you want to see, or any questions that you have, or something about babies or whatever. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I think that is about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.